everyone, we are live here in Quirino Grandstand. I'm Makito of CFC Central A, and with me is my wife, Diane.
And happy anniversary, CFC, and thank you, Locke. It's such an amazing feeling to be here with all of you in CFC Radio. So please invite our brethren to tune in with us in our CFC Facebook Live and CFC YouTube channel.
Yeah, we are so blessed here to be celebrating with everyone here. And for our brothers and sisters who are online, whether you're in the province or other countries, or even here in Metro Manila, if you're watching us right now, please type your messages dito sa chat box or in the comment section natin. And later, we will all read your messages. Okay?